Welcome back to Simpson Farms. Today we're going to move our bandsaw around, and our new Christmas present, we're going to take our drill press and we're going to get them set up here where we can actually use them in a good way. Try to take our bandsaw, put it down here, put a drill press right in here, because that's what we're going to use the most when we're making rings. And so let's get at it. I'm thinking about putting my bandsaw right here where it's a whole lot easier to get to. I'm not fighting everything over there. And it's right here. It's right on the edge. So if I had something that I needed to longwise, I could still cut it out longwise right here. So I'm thinking that's what we're going to do. And we're going to put about where y'all are sitting, we're going to put our drill press. Another way, it's still out of the way, but still under the most light. So let's get all this cleaned up and out of the way so we can take our bandsaw from there, put it down here, and get our drill press right here. Well, that's the best thing a guy could have for his shop. A good vacuum of some sort. I think that's like an off-brand shop vac type deal. It's the best thing you can have for a shop like this. Suck up all that dust and everything else. So now that we got that all cleaned up, we're going to move that remote right there. We're going to take our bandsaw, we're going to bring it right down here. Looks like we're going to have to pull a little cord out. Get these cords all untangled and shove it back in between the wall there. Keep them out of the way. I ain't the prettiest picture you can see, but it's going to make for a good spot. I'd be able to run longer stuff through here, wider stuff. So now we got that set up, we're going to get our drill press set up over here. So now that we got our bandsaw from back here, we're going to take and bring our drill press and we're going to set her about right here where we got plenty of light, we got plenty of movement around, and we can be able to sit right here, stand our rings down as they're spinning, glue them up, be able to do anything that we want to do with our drill press. Now that we got our drill press over here, and we got plenty of room on either side. Actually, I think I'm going to scoot it down just a hair bit. Much better. I like that a little better. We got plenty of room for a drill bit. Well, alright then, follow them down. We still got plenty of room for some excess wood over here in between our drill press and our bandsaw. So, I think this will work out real good. We got plenty of movement. We got plenty of room. So now we'll get all of our drill bits over there. Get them laid out, ready to be used. Got some hole saws, some regular paddle bits, some regular, I don't even know, the old school drill bits. But I have to say, I got these here Forstner bits here, Christmas, and I absolutely love them. That's the best wood bits that I've ever had. But we got them over there. We'll go ahead and put our Dremel stuff over there. And we'll be set up ready to go. Once we get our hole saw bits over here. I knew I was forgetting something. But we've got more room now. Get our hole saws opened up here and looking pretty. Up against the wall where it shows our little picture what size is what, and we're good to go. Got our chuck up here. Go ahead and take this drill bit out. I was working on a ring earlier. Put the chuck back. And we're set up, ready to go. Gotta do a little tweaking over here. Still gotta finish getting this side over here set up and cleaned up. But where I was working on this side, where I was getting this here bandsaw and drill press all set up, I think I've even got room right there for my belt sander to go. And then everything be right here ready to go. So if you enjoyed half of my shop setup, I'd love it if you decided to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, you never know what we're doing. We're doing everything from rings to farm work to charcuterie boards. So stick around. You never know what you'll find here on Simpson Farms. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good night.